Module 2, Chapter 8. Retirement Accounts, PF NPS. Your retirement accounts like PF and NPS are long-term locked assets. They might not be accessible today, but they are crucial for your net worth in the future. Retirement accounts are savings, instruments with tax benefits and employer contribution. They grow over decades and provide financial security in retirement. Rahul invests in PF every month. His employer also contributes. Over 20 years, compounding grows this small monthly amount into a significant corpus. It's locked now, but will be a major part of his net worth in retirement. Many ignore retirement accounts in their net worth calculation or withdraw prematurely, losing tax benefits. Remember, long-term discipline matters. Folo tracks retirement accounts alongside your other assets, showing their long-term impact on net worth. Retirement accounts grow net worth long-term. Include employer contribution for true value. Avoid premature withdrawals. Folo tracks all retirement accounts for clarity. Next, we'll explore digital assets, UPI balance, e-wallets, and even crypto, the modern way to store wealth.